Parents, students, welcome. Today has been a wonderful day at Lakeview Academy. We got soccer playoffs, we got walkouts. It's been a great day. Now we're going to celebrate some academic success as well. Mr. Myers, you're up first.
Please stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Award that I usually get to present in the fall, but due to some testing delays and things like that, this is an award that we are now giving in the spring, hopefully for this year only. But it is my great pleasure to talk for a minute about the Student Teacher Achievement Recognition, which is called the STAR program. So the STAR program honors Georgia's highest achieving high school seniors and the teachers who have been most instrumental in their academic development. Every accredited high school in Georgia is eligible to participate, and to be the STAR student, the high school senior must have the highest score on any single test date of the 2-part SAT taken this year through the March SAT. They also must be in the top 10% or top 10 students of their class based on GPA. Each high school STAR student is asked to name his or her STAR teacher. I am very excited to announce that this year's STAR student is Grace Litt. Much to Grace's dismay, we have asked her to please introduce to you all who she has selected as her STAR teacher. So I'll pass it to her.
Was my most challenging year so far, and I moved to a new country away from my family and was in a new school in a new culture. It was at this time I met my STAR teacher, Miss Hughes. She has given me the greatest help and patience in all aspects. I think everything must have a foundation to have a good development. Without her help in the first year, I might not be who I am today and might not be a STAR student. Ms. Hughes has had the greatest influence on me as a student and as a person in these 3 years. Her patience, sense of responsibility, gentleness, and understanding are all qualities I hope to possess. I think the most valuable thing a teacher can teach students is not knowledge, but sound personality.
Subsequently, the upper school student body voted to adopt the Constitution of the Honor Council. Students in the upper school are free to abide by the Honor Code, which states that Lakeland students will not lie, cheat, or steal, or prove those who do. The Honor Council educates the student body and, when necessary, tries cases. At this time, we'd like to recognize the members of the 2020-21 Honor Council. If you are in attendance, will the following students please stand and be recognized? Freshman Levi Grover and Andy Evans. For sophomores, Henry Stewart and Luke Harris. For juniors, Maggie Boo and Sam Carter. And lastly, for seniors, Drew Graybaugh and Mark C.
Next, we'd like to recognize our Youth Leadership Hall program members. Youth Leadership Hall is a program that begun in 2005 for high school juniors and seniors that offers students the opportunity to work with adult business leaders in the community through day-long seminars, which focus on leadership skills, teamwork, community awareness, diversity, and business, as well as social etiquette. The following 11th grade students have been chosen to represent Lakeview next year at Youth Leadership Hall. Please stand and be recognized as your names are called. Maggie Abu. Chloe Eccles. Gar. Cameron Hewitt. Sarah Nimmons. And Elizabeth Payne. Congrats to our Youth Leadership Hall. Next, we have the Governor's Honors Program. The Governor's Honors Program is a 4-week summer instructional program designed to provide intellectually gifted and artistically talented high school students challenging and enriching educational opportunities. As I call your names, please stand for recognition. The upper school students who are nominated by their teachers for the GHB convention were Class of 2022, Maggie Abood, Noah Kaplan, Davison Gilson, Gar, and Celia Wilson Tino. Of these students, 3 were selected. Maggie Abood was selected to represent Lakeview at GHB state competition in the area of world languages French. Gar was selected to represent Lakeview in the area of engineering, computer, and software. And Celia Wilson Patino was selected to represent Lakeview at the state competition in the area of world languages, German. Congratulations to all 5 students. The Hugh O'Brien Youth Leadership Award was founded in 1958 by veteran actor Hugh O'Brien. Its mission is to provide lifelong leadership development opportunities that empower individuals to achieve their highest potential and help young people make a difference and become positive catalysts for change in the home, school, workplace, and community. The program is for students in the 10th grade. 1 student representative is selected from the upper school faculty each year. This year's representative is McLaren Garman.
Selection is based on cumulative weighted academic GPA. Merit recipients will receive academic scholarship information from most colleges and universities in the state of Georgia that are members of the Georgia Education Articulation Committee. Please come forward as I call your name to be recognized. This year's Certificate of Merit Award goes to Maggie Abu, Garth Barr, and Cameron Hewitt. The next two awards I have to give are book awards, which are sponsored by extremely prestigious universities, and we get the privilege as a faculty to vote on the member of the junior class that we feel most exemplifies the characteristics set forth by each of these two universities. The first one is the Wellesley College Book Award. This award comes from a prestigious women's college near Boston, Massachusetts. Since 1875, Wellesley College has maintained a reputation for academic excellence, service to others, and concern for women's education. In that spirit, we will present a book, which are writings from women around the world. The Alumni Association from Wellesley College in Atlanta hopes that the recipient finds her own voice reinforced by these legendary women. The community of scholars at Wellesley College values integrity, curiosity, creativity, resourcefulness, and responsibility, along with outstanding personal and academic achievement. Wellesley College and the Atlanta Wellesley Club are pleased to present this award to a young woman from Lakeview Academy who embodies these characteristics. Please join us in honoring Ms. Maggie Abu. The next one is the Harvard Book Prize. The Harvard Club of Georgia and Alumni Association of Harvard awards the Harvard Book Prize to the student who displays excellence in scholarship and high character, combined with achievement in other fields. The winners of this award, through their intelligence and variety of achievement, exemplify Harvard's commitment to excellence. This year's Harvard Book Prize recipient is Garth Barr.
We have the Academic Merit Plaques. The Academic Merit Plaque is awarded to a student in each grade level who has shown the greatest improvement in academic progress or effort over the course of the year. This award is determined by a vote of the upper school faculty. Ashley Collins will now present our 9th grade Academic Merit Award.
This year's recipient for the Freshman Academic Award goes to a student who has shown a relentless determination and persistent work ethic to achieve success. She is always willing to go above and beyond when it comes to her academic endeavors, while at the same time her bright and caring spirit brings a smile to those around her. Like clockwork, she comes in class asking her teachers, "How's your day going?" Her dedicated spirit to Lakeview, her extracurricular activities she's involved in, and of course, her dedication to the grades, only made the success she has achieved that far commendable. I am pleased and honored to present this academic award to Helen Park.
Nearly 100 years later, another American thinker, Mark Twain, added, "Do not put off until tomorrow what can be put off to the day after tomorrow just as well." And still 100 years later, Tony Robbins built on the idea and began encouraging people to ask themselves, how am I going to live today in order to create the tomorrow I'm committed to? The idea seems nearly timeless, but it's often hard to find. Thoughts such as this run through my mind when asked to recognize this student, as I have had the good fortune of working with her last week. This student came to Lakeview in her freshman year, and she admitted feeling overwhelmed by the rigor of her classes. Studying, completing a homework, or reading before coming to class were challenges to this student in her first year. Over time, her study skills evolved. Her test scores would unfold the efforts she put into her class preparation. As she spent weeks in class, her work ethic progressed. Her teachers and I noticed that she would not waste time in completing her work promptly and well. I do not teach the student this year, but her current teachers shared how pleasant the student is and how hard she works in class. She's an ideal partner in any group work or project. Her group mates never have to wait on her. Her current teachers would say that she has been very consistent in her effort and has always strived to be best. It's my pleasure to recognize, and I'm sure that Mr. Franklin, Mr. Twain, and Mr. Robbins, if they were here, they'd agree that Sydney Corbin is this year's Lakeview Academy's Merit Awardee.
The junior year is a tough one, demanding more attention, time, management, and persistence in earlier years in the middle and upper school. It's challenging for even the best of students. And how a student responds to that challenge is a sure indication of growing maturity and responsibility. This year's 11th grade academic award goes to a student who more and more recognized and responded to the challenge of the junior year. After struggling slightly at the beginning of the year in math, she took the initiative to make sure that she would do well. She asked questions, she came in for extra help to ensure that she truly understood each topic. Her conscientiousness and extreme effort above and beyond what were required has resulted in her being one of the best students in her math class. Her new attitude and work ethic has enabled her to have a better understanding of complex mathematical topics and will help her succeed in future mathematical endeavors. It is with great pleasure that I present the 11th grade Academic Merit Award to Jordan Thomas.
All right, how about a round of applause for all of our award recipients today? In true Lakeview fashion, we've always got a million things going on. Girls soccer, if y'all want to go ahead and go, those of you who haven't got up already, fantastic. How about a round of applause for our girls soccer team? How about one more round of applause for our boys also? That concludes our presentation. Seniors, as you leave, you'll stack your chairs over there.